Eddie Datz, Kyle.
Remember when tie-dye was an activity?
I didn't make that shirt. My parents bought it for me at Sea Ranch. You can read Sea Ranch if you look close.
Cut to 10 years later.
What?
Like how 10 years ago you were in first grade and now we cut to.
What does cut to mean to you?
Or like little did he know.
Nothing you're saying makes sense.
How we're not virgins now. We deflowered each other. We have each other's flowers. Sorry, I'm just happy.
I didn't lose my virginity to you.
Wait, what?
I lost my virginity to Cassie Duvall.
Excuse me? You said you were a virgin.
I did not. Because I'm not, and I haven't lied in 2 years.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, I've probably slept with 6 people.
You don't even know if it's 6 people?
Well, I don't keep a list.
Why wouldn't you keep a list? We're in high school.
Why are you getting so moody?
You did say you were a virgin.
I think you might have made an assumption.
I just had a whole experience that was wrong.
You're deciding to be upset.
No, I am upset.
Because you're deciding to be. Don't be mad at me for this. That's stupid. You can't be mad at me for something I have no control over now.
I just wanted it to be special.
Why? You're going to have so much unspecial sex in your life.
I was on top. Who the fuck is on top their first time?
Do you have any awareness how many civilians we've killed since invasion in Iraq began?
Shut up, shut up. Different things can be sad. It's not all war. Are we still going to prom together?
Sure.